Evolve or devolve? We never stay the same. Something changes. We change. Evolve or devolve? Who are you turning into? The external things change our lives. Who are you going to be? The road ahead, it changes. It curves, it bends. There are inclines, there are declines, there are potholes, obstacles around every single corner. Do you accept that challenge in life or do you walk away from it? Do you evolve or do you devolve? That decision is always yours. Will you protect what you have built? Will you cower and run away? Will you let today be yours or will you give today away? Evolve or devolve? You're always turning into something. Be cognizant of your mold, what you're forming into. The picture, the image, that is the receipt to your life. An image stays the same. We do not. A picture stays the same. We never do. Next year, you're going to be different. 6 months from now, you're going to be different. Who are you going to be looking at? Who is going to be staring at you? Evolve or devolve. Turn into the best you or lose the best you. The mold. Evolve.